Yesterday I sent you modified syllabus, whatever CBSE reduced your syllabus portion. Let me explain only in first part, second part we will see later on. First part, first topic, relation function, that is binary already deducted, and composition of a function, that is also deducted. Okay, so cancel it, composition of a function and binary already deducted. Number 2, inverse trigonometry. Graph we did not, so graph is not there. And properties means छोटे छोटे proof हमने किया, we did all the proof, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So like that type of a properties is not there, proof. Okay, so inverse trigonometry, graph is not there and properties is not there. Matrices, main elementary operation 6 mark question option में आता है बेटा, that they have deducted, reduced that topic. So matrices में elementary operation is not there. Now come to fourth topic, determinants. Determinants में properties of determinant along with the proof, whatever we have seen, that complete exercise properties of determinant, I hope so 4.2, that is they have cancelled, they have reduced properties of determinant. And then matrix method, we have seen consistency and inconsistency. Can you remember, if determinant of A equal to 0, not equal to 0, then the system is consistent and it has a unique solution. That type of example no need. Okay, consistency matrix method, solving matrix method is there. Only consistency and inconsistency with the example is not there. Means the last exercise first part is deducted. Clear to you? Second part, solve the equation by solve linear equation by matrix method, that is in syllabus. Clear to you? So properties of determinant and consistency and inconsistency through example they have reduced. Now come to continuity and differentiation, Rolle's theorem and LMB. Rolle's theorem, LMB, that is last exercise for differentiation. That topic is reduced. Once again, continuity and differentiation, only that subtopic, which one, Rolle's theorem and LMB theorem. That theorem, that is last exercise of differentiation, that reduced. Now come to application of derivative. Application of derivative mean rate of change. First exercise, that you have to cancel it. Rate of change is cancelled, and approximation, I think increase and decreasing, tangent normal, another exercise is approximation, that they have reduced. So 2 topics from application of derivative, we have seen 4-5 topics, that is rate of change, increase and decreasing, tangent normal, approximation and maximum minima. So they have reduced to 2 topics, number 1 rate of change and another one approximation by using differential. Are you clear? So this is the first part, modified syllabus. Are you clear better? So whatever we are going to conduct that objective test, so beyond these topics I will ask question. Are you clear? Any questions from your side? Bachche?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, you are clear? You are very much clear? So first you should clear about your first part. When we start second part, let you know what topics, subtopics they have reduced. So if you want write, you can write down, or otherwise let me continue. Yesterday we have seen the questions, that is I hope so. Yes, last question we have to do, that is 26, question number 26. Beta, one thing keep in your mind. Main 6 mark question, question definitely will come from determinant, that is matrix method. Okay. Now 6 mark question in this relation and function, main topic they have deducted binary and composition. So definitely application of derivative 6 mark question, maybe 1 question or 2 question is there. Be alert everyone. So B series application of derivative is one of the most highest weightage topic होगा आपके लिए. Now see beta question number 26. What 26 question is saying? Read out the question. Show that semi-vertical angle of right circular cone. Beta cone diagram draw कर रही हूँ. And now semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertical angle means this height, slant height and radius. Show that semi-vertical angle of right circular cone given surface. Surface मतलब total surface. So given क्या है total surface of cone. What is total surface of cone बेटा? Please fast. total surface of cone. Beta, immediately answer tell me.
Pi r square plus pi r l.
Yes, exactly, well done beta. Pi r square plus pi r. Okay, now we have to reduce, let us see first what we have to prove. And the maximum volume. Beta, volume is maximum. जब volume maximum आएगा automatically semi vertical angle sin inverse 1/3 आ जाएगा. Now volume is maximum. What is volume of cone? Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. बेटा सभी attention रखना है. If any mistake immediately tell me. Anyhow, already I told you RB variable, slant height and height, all three are variable. Now here surface is involved L and R. Here volume is involved R and H. So I have to reduce first this L. Now what I am doing here? Because I don't have L here. Now what I am doing? See here. So L equal to S minus pi r square, the whole upon pi r. Now I brought value of L. Now I should bring L here, then only I can substitute. Now squaring on both sides, so that's I am taking Z, that is equal to 1/9 pi square r over 4 into h square. Instead of h square, I am using Pythagoras theorem, but try to understand the concept, okay. Now instead of h square, I can write here, that is L square minus what? R square. Now this is equation number 1. I can substitute L value. Now I brought in terms of R, L is in terms of R. This volume is also in terms of R. If I substitute value of L here, 1/9 pi square r over 4 into, instead of L, S minus pi r square upon pi r ka whole square, okay, whole square minus what we will get at r square. But very carefully you have to do simplification. Now this is equal to 1/9 into that is pi square r power 4. I am taking this, I am opening this, at the same time I am taking LCM. The denominator is pi square r square, numerator is s square, and then plus pi square r power 4. But very carefully, everybody attention here, minus 2s pi r square. If I take LCM here, minus pi square r power 4, the whole upon pi square r square. Okay, now check it better. If any mistake, immediately tell me. Now pi square will be cancelled and this r square will be cancelled. So 1/9 into, if I open this r power 4, that is r square cancel beta, r square open karungi, s square r square plus pi square here is, this is square beta. This we will get it r power 6. Okay, r power 6 से 8 बेटा, बेस सेम पावर करते हैं, r power 6 minus 2s, we are going 2s by r power 4 minus, and then here we will get it a pi square r power 6, isn't it? Isn't it बेटा? अच्छा, it will be cancelled. It will be cancelled. Okay, fine. That will be cancelled. So finally, what we will get it here? But very carefully check the calculation. Now is it 1/9 into, if I open this, I will get s square r square and minus 2s pi r power 4. Okay, fine. Now you have to go for second derivative test. Now z dash, that is equal to 1/9. This we will get 2r s square minus 8s pi. Beta move your voice. If necessary, you can open it. Now let z dash equal to, let z dash equal to 0. Now if I take 2r s is common, I will get the whole upon 9 into s minus 4 pi r square. Now equal to 0. So this implies this goes to that side, r not equal to 0, r not equal to 0. Therefore s is equal to 4 pi r square, implies r equal to s upon 4 pi under root. Okay. Now anyhow second derivative is z2 dash. I am writing here. Now z2 dash, that is equal to, you have to differentiate this part, that is 1/9 into, if I differentiate this 2s square minus, if I differentiate this 24s pi r square. Anyhow beta, which is definitely less than 0 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 24 है. When you should write when r equal to under root of s upon 4 pi. So what we have shown that volume is maximum. Volume is maximum when r equal to this. What I told you, whatever you are getting answer उठा के given में रखो. Equation 1 implies 1 में instead of s, if I keep there l equal to, instead of s I am keeping 4 pi r square minus pi r square, the whole upon pi r. Now anyhow, so L equal to, we are getting 3 pi r square, the whole upon pi r, pi cancel, that is equal to, we are getting 3r. Okay, fine. Now what they are asking, after proving this maximum, what is maximum? The semi-vertical angle is sine inverse 1 by 3. Now you find out sine alpha better. What is sine alpha there? Sine alpha equal to, beta sine alpha equal to, yes बच्चे, what is sine alpha? बेटा what happened?
R by L.
R by L. R by L. Now L का value we have, immediately answer बताओ बच्चे. Now R cancel, so sine alpha equal to 1 by 3 implies alpha equal to. Are you clear बेटा? This is one of the most important question. Maybe it will come, क्योंकि ये अभी rare है, ये question आए नहीं अभी तक, एक बार दो बार आए होंगे. So this is one of the most important question. Are you clear बेटा? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Write down fast. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, बेटा, everybody have done बच्चे. बेटा be serious everyone, the topic is most important. Again I am saying we don't have a time. They did not reduce much more topic in second part. Second part very limited subtopics. We have complete book. The maximum weightage is the second part. So be alert everyone, beta, be alert. Now see, next I am taking beta question number 27. Beta 27 question you have to do homework. I will explain you. Instead of 27th question, I will take one example. That example 41. That is one of the most important repeated question. Beta question number 27 is the homework. 28. Find all real value of x. The value fx is maximum. मतलब you have to find either first derivative, second derivative. Go for second derivative test to find f dash of x equal to 0. Value of x, whatever you are getting, value of x, find out second derivative, substitute that. Wherever you are getting maximum, that is maximum value. The same question number 29, so that you have to check differentiation how much you know about it. Now I am taking beta example 41. Instead of question number 27, you have to do it. And 41 example I am doing one of the most important example repeated questions better. Now question anyhow, you read it question. Everybody have written, I hope so. Let me. Now see beta, first I am reading the question. An Apache helicopter of enemy is flying along the curve given by y equal to. Now listen better, this is example 41. Then I will explain you 27 question. You treat this is helicopter. This is given here Apache helicopter, that is equal to x cube plus 7. Okay, fine. Now once again I am reading. An Apache helicopter of enemy is flying along the curve given by y equal to x cube plus 7.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है मैम.
अभी आपका नेट में भी प्रॉब्लम होगा बेटा, 1 or 2 मिनट्स आएगा, मेरी आवाज सुन लो. Now an Apache helicopter of enemy is flying along the curve given by y equal to x cube है बेटा, वो स्क्वायर है, x cube है, स्क्वायर है वो. Yes, tell me. That is x square, I hope so. X square plus 7. A soldier placed at 3,7 wants to shoot. Soldier यहाँ पे है बेटा. This is a place ले लो. That is a 3, nowadays China and India problem is going on. Now soldier is here. That is a 3.7 here. Point is here. Wants to shoot down the helicopter when it nearest to him, just imagine it helicopter flying, जब सीधे परपेंडिकुलर आएगा तभी तो सोल्जर का वो जो डिस्टेंस मिनिमम कब आएगा, जब व्हेन इट इज अ परपेंडिकुलर, उससे हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं, ये परपेंडिकुलर आएगा तब डिस्टेंस ऑटोमेटिकली मिनिमम हो जाता है। सो मान लो आपका यहाँ पे एनिमी है, एनिमी का पॉइंट ये रहा बेटा, एनिमी का पॉइंट, सो ये जो डिस्टेंस है ना वो मिनिमम सबसे पहले शो करो, देन ऑटोमेटिकली ये पॉइंट्स आपके आ जाएगा। 1 सेकेंड, ये हेलीकॉप्टर है, उसका कर्व दे रखा है x²+7, enemy is sitting here and soldier is here। जब हेलीकॉप्टर मिनिमम डिस्टेंस पे आएगा तब ये शूट करेगा इसको, दैट इज क्वेश्चन। सो सबसे पहले यू हैव टू शो PA इज द मिनिमम। नाउ PA यू हैव टू फाइंड, गिवन क्या बेटा क्वेश्चन में, गिवन इज y = x²+7, बेटा ये x² है x³ है बुक में, बोलो बेटा प्लीज इमीडिएट, स्क्वायर और क्यूब, बच्चे स्क्वायर गिवन है क्यूब गिवन है। नाउ एनी हाउ, सो आई एम फाइंडिंग डिस्टेंस PA, सो
मैम स्क्वायर, मैम स्क्वायर गिवन है,
x², okay, that is a PA square I am taking better distance between 2 point, x-3 का whole square plus y-7 का whole square, okay। Now whatever given distance formula, using distance formula that's I written here, now whatever given I am substituting here, so x-3 का whole square, instead of y I am writing here x²+7 -7 का whole square, 7 will be cancelled, now x-3 का whole square and then plus x⁴. Anyhow we brought into simplest form, that means in terms of x. Now go for second derivative test. Now z dash that is equal to 2 into x-3 and then plus 4x³. Now let z dash equal to 0, so this implies इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, अब x का वैल्यू निकालना है। Now let us see, now that is if I open this, what I am getting here, that is a 4x³ and then plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0। बेटा यहाँ पे x³ है, इन केस स्क्वायर होता है फैक्टराइज करके इमीडिएट वैल्यू निकालते हैं। आइदर हिट एंड ट्रायल जाना चाहते हो, हिट एंड ट्रायल देखो आप रिमाइंडर थ्योरम ये पढ़ा होगा 11th में। Suppose if I keep x is equal to 1, then I will get it 4 plus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. Definitely x minus 1 is the roots of this equation. Then x minus 1 say you know about it already, you have seen this in lower classes. That's why I'm explaining this remainder theorem or hit and trial method, that's you have seen already. Now इसको divide करोगे तो divide करोगे ये क्या हो जाएगा बेटा 4x². Now if I multiply 4x³ and then minus 4x², okay fine, you know, I think everybody knows about this method. Now if I minus plus, then it will be cancelled, we will get it a 4x² and then plus 2x minus 6. Once again if I divide by this, then I will get it here 4x. Now here we will get that is a 4x² and then minus 4x. If I once again minus it minus plus, it will be cancelled. Now we will get it here 6x minus 6. If I take here, if I divide this plus 6, now I will get it 6x minus 6, that I am getting here 0. So therefore this can be factorized, x minus 1 into we will get it 4x² and then plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. बेटा इसका रूट्स है ना इमेजिनरी आएगा, आप निकाल के देखो। इफ यू वांट टू डिवाइड बाय 2 से डिवाइड करो, दैट इज अप टू योर चॉइस। यू विल गेट 2x² plus 2x and then plus 3 equal to 0। इसका रूट निकाल के देखो, रूट्स आर नॉट रियल आएगा इसमें, दैट इज x equal to minus b। वही b² minus 4ac निकाल के देखो, b² हो जाएगा 4 minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into 1 24। anyhow less than 0, roots are not real, so this not equal to 0, okay fine, that's why I am avoiding this part. So that is what I am getting, since I am writing 2x² plus 2x plus 3 not equal to 0. If you don't mind, you can write it here, since roots are not real. So this implies definitely x minus 1 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. Now go for second derivative, is a 2 dash, that is equal to, you have to show distance is minimum. If I differentiate this part, so I will get it to 2 plus 12x². Anyhow, if I keep when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, it is a 2 dash equal to 2 plus 14, that is the 2 plus 12, which is greater than 0. Positive आ गया, therefore we have shown this. इसका मतलब जब 12 मीटर डिस्टेंस पे आएगा ऑटोमेटिकली वो क्या करेगा, अभी डिस्टेंस निकाल लूँ बेटे, कौन सा शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस है. Where distance is minimum when x is equal to 1. उन्होंने पूछा what is distance, okay, point निकालना है. So x is equal to 1, हमेशा what I told you उठा के given में रखो. So if x is equal to 1 implies 1 में रखो y equal to 1 plus 7, that's equal to 8. So point on the curve we are getting 1,8. So इसका मतलब enemy जो बैठा है उसका point है 1,8. And if they ask distance, minimum distance, then that is a PA equal to under root of, यहाँ पे under root ले लेना, squaring on both side मने कि या वहाँ पे. So that is 1 minus 3 का whole square and then plus 8 minus 7 का whole square. Now that is equal to, this becomes 2, 4 and then this becomes 1. So under root that's equal to root 5 unit. ठीक है बेटा, समझ आए बच्चे? अच्छा ये क्या आएगा 1 है ना, सही है. So यहाँ 2 है, 2 plus 2 square 4 1. Yes exactly. Are you clear बेटा?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, write down बेटा, write down fast, hurry up. The same way you have to do question number 27. Same question, curve given, you have to find a distance, then given use करो उसमें, go for second derivative, automatically distance minimum आएगा. Whatever I have done, same way you have to do that question. This question, that's why I have done here how to find the roots of this equation. That's why specially I have taken this question. This is one of the most important question. Clear to you? Now बेटा सबसे पहले miscellaneous में whatever word problem let me complete. बेटा write fast everybody.
Yes ma'am, done.
Yes बेटा, everybody have done बच्चे. बेटा now take it page number 242. First let me complete all word problem, then we will come back remaining question. Now I am starting from question number 8. Okay, then we will come back remaining question. Don't bother about it. पहले इसी तरह word problem पूरा complete कर लेते हैं so that ये continuity रहेगा आपके पास. बेटा everybody have done बच्चे? Yes. Now I am taking page number 242 miscellaneous question number 8. सबसे पहले सारे word problem complete करते हैं. This is also one of the most important question. Find the maximum area of an isosceles triangle. Anyhow, एक isosceles triangle का area maximum निकालना है. Inscribed in a given ellipse. बेटा one of the most important question that I told you. Now anyhow, let me draw one ellipse. Now see, this is ellipse. Okay, fine. Now they are saying एक isosceles triangle like this. Let me draw. Okay, now what is given? Ellipse given, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is also one of the most important question. Now anyhow, इधर बेटा x axis में यहाँ पे a minus a, this is plus a, this is b, this is minus b. यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये distance है, but यहाँ से यहाँ तक कैसे पता है उसको हम x ले लेते हैं. Are you clear what I am saying? ठीक है ना, ये distance को मैंने क्या ले लिया, x ले लिया. और ये डिस्टेंस क्या होगा, a डिस्टेंस होगा यहाँ से यहाँ तक, क्योंकि x इंटरसेप्ट प्लस आर माइनस ये. और ये जो डिस्टेंस है ये तो पूरा डिस्टेंस यहाँ से यहाँ तक b पता है, बट ये डिस्टेंस b तो नहीं है. इसको आई एम टेकिंग y, ऊपर y ले लिया, नीचे भी y ले लेती हूँ. तो मतलब टोटल डिस्टेंस मैंने ले लिया 2y. समझ आए बेटा? आई एम गिविंग नेम, दिस इज a and then this is b and then this is c. Okay, fine. Now are you clear diagram everybody? Now given beta, what is given here? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now we have to reduce. Now y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square, that is equal to a square minus x square upon a square. Now y square equal to, finally we are getting b square by a square into a square minus x square. Anyhow I reduced in terms of x. सो y को इन टर्म्स ऑफ x में मैंने रिड्यूस कर दिया. Now I have to prove area of this isosceles triangle is a maximum. बेटा what is the area of isosceles triangle? Yes बच्चे, area of isosceles triangle. हाँ बेटा, isosceles का कोई अलग नहीं है. हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. ओके, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. सो हाफ इंटू बेस इज हाउ मच? 2y. Okay, into height we have x plus a. Height we have, try to understand better, it is so simple. Half into base, base is 2 I have taken, and if you don't mind you can take it to y total length, y by 2 half of length, and then this length height we have x plus a. Now to cancel squaring and both side, because I have z square का वैल्यू y square का वैल्यू है, इसलिए squaring and both side उसका z नाम दे रही, that is equal to y square into x plus a का whole square. थोड़ा लेंथी होगा क्वेश्चन, सभी अच्छी तरह पेशेंस रखे समझे इसको. Now listen, if I substitute given here instead of y square, if I substitute this value, now listen, that is z equal to, what is y square? Y square value we have, that is b square by a square into a square minus x square into x plus a का whole square. Okay fine. If you simplify this, b square by a square into a plus a minus x into a plus x का whole cube. यहाँ a plus x already a plus x का whole square. Now I brought into simplest form. अब मैं derivative test में जाऊँगी बेटा. Now I am taking z dash, that is equal to b square by a square. Of course product rule लगाऊंगी. Now इसको रखूंगी a minus x को, इसको differentiate करूँ 3 into a plus x का whole square into differentiation of a plus x 1 हो जाएगा, plus if I keep this constant a plus x का whole cube, differentiation of this becomes minus 1. Listen very carefully how to do differentiation. Once again let me explain this one. Now b square by a square I keep constant. Now a minus x को constant रखा, whole cube को differentiate किया, 3a plus x का whole square plus a plus x का whole cube को constant रखा, इसको differentiate किया -1. Now you should bring into simplest form, then we will do equal to 0. Now is a dash equal to whatever the common you can take out to common better. So एक तो b square by a square already we have. Here a plus x का whole cube, a plus x का whole square. So I am taking a plus x का whole square I am taking out. So here we have 3a minus 3x, I am open this bracket, and minus is here, so minus a minus x. बच्चे very carefully you have to do. So now z dash finally we have b square by a square into a plus x का whole square. Now here we have 2a minus 4x. If I take out 2 is a common, now the final answer is z dash equal to 2b square by a square into a plus x का whole square, that is a minus, here we will get it 2x. बेटा isn't it? सही किया हमने, कहीं मिस्टेक नहीं किया. Yes बच्चे. Now anyhow let I am taking let is a dash equal to 0. ये तो 0 नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ये equal to minus x आएगा, length never comes negative. So इसलिए सिर्फ ये की 0 होगा. This implies a equal to 2x. This implies x is equal to a upon 2. Better check it calculation, it should be correct. Now is a 2 dash, I am doing second derivative, I am differentiating this final answer, this one. So 2b square by a square into, if I differentiate this part, so what I will get it here, a plus x का whole square keep constant. If I differentiate this minus 2 and then plus इसको differentiate करूँ, then that is I will get 2 into a plus x into a minus 2x. Better very carefully how to do it. If I keep when x is equal to a by 2, if I keep z2 dash equal to 2b square, क्या आना है? isosceles triangle maximum आना है. maximum आना है, अपने आप आएगा. देख ये आ जाएगा a plus a by, that is minus 2 into a plus a by 2, a plus a by 2 का whole square, और ये पार्ट पूरा 0 हो जाएगा बेटा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे a by 2 रखूँ, 2 कैंसिल, a माइनस से 0 आ जाएगा. Anyhow automatically negative आ गया, which is less than 0. Therefore we have shown area is maximum. अब आपको जो भी आंसर आया उठा के गिवन में रखना है. So therefore y square equal to b square by a square into equation 1 में रख रही हो बच्चे. Now a square minus, instead of x we have minus a square by 4. If I simplify, that is equal to what I will get it here, b square by a square into 3a square by 4. A square cancel, so we have 3b square by 4. Better write fast, we have to find maximum area also. ठीक है, they are asking find maximum area. Are you clear बच्चे? Simple what we have done, जो गिवन है उसमें से रिड्यूस किया, क्या प्रूफ करना है वहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, सिंपल सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट तक गया. हाँ, डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट करते वक्त आपको ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है. क्लियर टू यू? यस बच्चे, से यस नो?
Yes, ma'am.
यस, राइट फास्ट बेटा, टाइम इज रनिंग. देखो हार्डली हमने 2-3 क्वेश्चन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन वी आर डूइंग नाउ. It is quite difficult to complete beta, it is not so easy. One 12th A student were telling to class teacher she did not add my number in group. Don't you feel shame? So why don't you ask your friends? Beta, be serious बच्चे. If you are not able to understand 100%, but you can understand something better than 0. राइट फास्ट बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am, done.
यस एवरीबडी. बट बेटा यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ. आई एम नॉट इरेजिंग. मे बी रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग. जस्ट आई एम इरेजिंग दिस मच ओनली. नाउ एनी हाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड मैक्सिमम एरिया. सो दैटफॉर maximum area that is क्या था बेटा? that is area equal to y into x plus a. now a equal to, instead of y we can write 3b by 2 into, instead of x we can write a plus a by 2 plus a. so area equal to this root 3 by 2 into this we will get 3a by 2. now that is area equal to 3 root 3 ab by 4 square units. Are you clear better? Yes, ये 6 mark question, repeated question, that's keep in our mind. Write down fast everybody. Write down fast बच्चे. just one more question let us do. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest of the students? Whether you
Yes, ma'am.
or not. Yes? Yes, बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have done, then tell me better. Only one student is speaking. Now anyhow, now beta I am taking question number 9, another most important question. हर question lengthy होगा. Now see question number 9 beta. Question number 9 what they are saying, a tank with rectangular base and rectangular sides. एक tank है, डायग्राम देखना कैसे ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. रेक्टेंगुलर बेस एंड रेक्टेंगुलर साइड्स ऐसे ज्वाइन कर देना. जैसे ओपन टैंक है, सो इसको हटा दो तो ओपन टैंक अपने आप बन जाएगा. ठीक है, आर यू क्लियर? सो ऐसे करो. नाउ ठीक है, नाउ सी ये टैंक विद रेक्टेंगुलर बेस एंड रेक्टेंगुलर साइड्स, ओपन एट द टॉप इज टू बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड सो दैट डेप्थ इज 2 मीटर. बेटा नाउ गिवन में जा रही हूँ, इट्स डेप्थ गिवन दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 मीटर and volume given that is equal to 8 meter cube. If building of a tank cost ₹70 per square meter for the base, बेटा बेस के लिए 70 rupees 70 per square meter, and then what they are saying, then next they are saying for the base and ₹45 for sides of the square, that is ₹45 sides के लिए लग रहा है इसमें रेनोवेशन करने के लिए पर स्क्वायर मीटर का। What is the cost of least expensive? Least means minimum. Least means what? Minimum. बेटा जस्ट इमेजिन करो जो कहाँ रूम में बैठा है वही रूम को इमेजिन करो आप, उसका टॉप ओपन इमेजिनेशन में आ जाओ। जो नीचे बेस है दैट इज रेक्टेंगुलर बेस एंड रेक्टेंगुलर साइड्स, आर यू क्लियर? ओके, उसका जो डेप्थ है, डेप्थ मतलब वो जो टैंक का हाइट है 2 मीटर गिवन है, वॉल्यूम गिवन है 8 मीटर क्यूब। अब वॉल्यूम मतलब एक टैंक ओपन टैंक है, क्यूबॉइड शेप होगा, दैट इज LBH होगा बेटा। सो मैं लेंथ ले लेती हूँ x और विड्थ ले लेती हूँ y। लेट डायमेंशन ऑफ द टैंक, डायमेंशन ऑफ द टैंक आर, लेंथ गिवन है, लेंथ आई एम टेकिंग x मीटर, ब्रेथ आई एम टेकिंग y मीटर एंड हाइट गिवन है आपके पास 2 मीटर। अब गिवन में जाते हैं, गिवन क्या है? वॉल्यूम मतलब LBH इज इक्वल टू 8 गिवन है, दैट इज xy into 2 इक्वल टू 8 implies xy इक्वल टू आई एम गेटिंग 4, ये भी मुझे जरूरत ही है। दिस implies y इक्वल टू क्या आ रहा है बेटा आपके पास 4/x। आई हैव रिड्यूस्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ 1 वेरिएबल। अब नाउ लिसन बच्चे, एक बात को अच्छी तरह याद रखना, अब इसी जो रूम में बैठे हुए हैं उसी रूम का रेनोवेशन चल रहा है। रेनोवेशन में जो बेस है ना उसमें पर स्क्वायर मीटर का 70 रुपीज़ है। मुझे टोटल कास्ट निकालना है, अच्छी तरह सुन लेना। टोटल कास्ट का मैं C ले लेती हूँ। अब नीचे का लेंथ हमने बताया x और विड्थ बताया y। सो बेस का एरिया क्या आएगा बेटा? थोड़ा प्लीज इमीडिएटली आंसर बताना, बच्चे टाइम रनिंग है। नीचे का एरिया क्या आएगा बेटा? लेंथ हमने x ले लिया, ब्रेथ ले लिया y, रेक्टेंगुलर बेस है। सो क्या होगा नीचे का टोटल एरिया? बच्चे प्लीज यार, नीचे का टोटल एरिया, बेस का टोटल एरिया, यार क्या टोटल एरिया क्या आएगा बेटा? बेस का टोटल रेक्टेंगल बेस है बेटा, रेक्टेंगल का लेंथ x दे रखा है, विड्थ y दे रखा है। व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ टोटल बेस? कमाल है यार। आर यू इन लाइन? से यस नो इमीडिएटली। Now anyhow, the total area of base is x into y, length into breadth, क्योंकि रेक्टेंगुलर बेस है। पर स्क्वायर मीटर का 70 है, वी हैव xy स्क्वायर मीटर। सो टोटल नीचे का जो कॉस्ट है, बेस का जो कॉस्ट है वो 70 इंटू xy होगा। अब आ जाओ फोर साइड एरिया फोर साइड मतलब कर्व्ड सरफेस होगा, दैट इज लेटरल सरफेस। कैन यू से प्लीज कर्व्ड सरफेस ऑफ क्यूबॉइड?
H bracket L plus B.
2H into L plus B, exactly beta, well done, God bless you. Now 2H into L plus B, here per square meter is 45, we have total the square meter, so 45 into 2 into height given है आपके पास 2 and then L हमने लिया X और B लिया हमने Y। Very clear, try to understand, आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह समझा के ले रही हूँ। Now listen, anyhow, so final we have total cost is 70 into, instead of xy I can substitute 4 and then 45, 90, 180 into x plus, instead of y I can keep here 4/x. Anybody doubt? 280 and then plus 180 into x plus 4/x. Now I brought total cost in terms of x. बेटा बच्चे समझ आ रहा है बच्चे सभी को? Yes बेटा, say yes no. बच्चे आर यू इन लाइन? Yes, anyhow, let me complete this. Now, so that is C dash, this is 0 plus 180 into, we will get here, that is 1 minus 4/x square. Now, let C dash equal to 0. So, 180 into 1 minus, that is x square minus 4 equal to 0. X square goes to that side, implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. We will take only 2 meter because this is a length. Okay, fine. Now we are finding C2 dash. C2 dash, if I differentiate this, that is I will get it 180 into 1 becomes 0 and plus this is 8 upon x cube. Anyhow, which is greater than 0 when x is equal to 2 meter. So anyhow, we have shown here total cost is minimum. Total cost is minimum. Okay, fine. Now substitute this value of x. They are asking also find the total minimum cost. Minimum cost, if you want, you can substitute. Therefore, minimum cost of tank, minimum cost is C is equal to 280 plus 180 into, that is x ka value 2 plus 4 by 2. Now that is equal to 280 and then plus 180 into 4. Now that is a 280 and then plus I go. So this is 720. That is equal to rupees 1000. Are you clear? Are you clear, everybody? Thank you.